Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and once again this is Hannah, and for today's video I'll be showing you the opening of KFC Dushanbe. So this is the first ever KFC here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Please stay with me on the video, everyone.
1 minute later. Minutes later.
Here again everyone, welcome back, and I'm gonna show you the things that I ordered. So here we've got different types of fries. Can you show them? And this is the wedge fries, and this is the milkshake, then this is the cheeseburger, then here we have takeouts of twisters, then the chicken. So far today's day is wonderful. I'm very happy to taste KFC here in Tajikistan for the first time, although I had it hundreds of times back in Dubai and in the Philippines.
5 minutes later.
This is how you will order by yourself. So here, if you want dine-in, you can choose Zale, and if you want takeout, you can choose Saboy. So let's say Zale. Then here you have the coupons or the discounts. Then here would be the burgers. These are the different types of burgers. And these are the twisters. Then these are the chicken products. And here are the packets. And we have here the fries, the sauces, the drinks. Then we have the milkshakes. Then we have coffee and tea and other drinks. Then here we have the desserts. So let's say for example you want to take this, it will be here, aplatit. Take that, then again it will be here. So the karzina or the cart will be here. Then let's say you want that one, again it will be there. Then after that, you're gonna have all the orders here. Then here, it's written, Niet Yakacho is minute zakas. So if you want to change, you just need to press this one. And here would be the zakas verin. Or yes, the orders are correct. So let's say you want to buy this one. So it's gonna be like that. Then you have, here, can you show them? So here would be the total price, and you need to put your card there and pay. That's it. You're gonna have your order. That's it.
15 minutes later.
This is the very first branch of KFC or Kentucky Fried Chicken here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. So we ordered the KFC Box Master, then the packet of the chicken. Take a look. It's really tasty. Unfortunately, all the chicken here are said to be spicy, and I've also ordered ice cream. Can you believe that for the first time ever in my entire life, I went inside KFC and was on queue for freaking 1 hour. In the Philippines, in Dubai, and in all the countries I've been to, if you want to dine in KFC, you just need to enter, no line, no anything. And here was freaking 1 hour line outside and another 1 hour line in the cashier. But anyway, it's worth it.
Longer than a few minutes later.
Very beautiful place. It's Dyson. Also Dyson. Then Dyson again. Then here's the restroom. Not bad. And here's the soap. and the automatic thingy. So again, not bad. It feels like we're somewhere in the Philippines or somewhere out there.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Seconds later. A few moments later. One eternity later.
I'm showing you right now the outside view of KFC here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. So if you're wondering where it is located, it is at Rudaki Avenue, not far from Opera Ballet and Academia Nauk.
So take your time and dine in the newest fast food restaurant and the first ever KFC here.
2 hours later.
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and for being with me in the opening of KFC here in Dushanbe, Tajikistan.